Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about selling covered calls, and the stock we're selling covered calls on is Palantir. So we're over here on Webull on the public account, and I entered into this position maybe a week or two ago. So what I did was I bought 100 shares of Palantir for $80.67. So that cost me $8,000. Okay, the position is currently up roughly $500, and the covered call, which makes this, the part that makes this a covered call, is I sold the 102 March 28 call. So at the time I did this, I received a premium of $2.30. So one option contract controls 100 shares. So you move the decimal over 2 times to the right, and I received a premium of $230. So why do we sell covered calls? Well, it's a good way to generate income, and in this case, I want to hold on to the shares anyway, and I'm getting paid to hold shares while I wait on them to appreciate. So in this case, if Palantir goes from this $85 that is currently trading at up to 102 or past, I will have roughly a profit of $2,000, because from this 8,000 to 102 will give me 2,000 plus my premium of the 230. So I keep the 230 regardless of what happens. And so in this case, that can net me a $2,000 trade just off having Palantir shares. So I love to do this, and if I get my shares called away, it's okay. I will sell a put, collect premium, and try to get back into the stock again. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on this covered call that I'm in with Palantir, and how I may potentially walk away with a $2,000 profit. But if not, I'll keep my shares and I will sell another covered call. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Until the next time.